How to use search in Outlook to find emails fast. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can use search in Outlook to find emails very fast. So if this is your question, kindly watch to the end so that you can know how to do this effectively. So what do you do first? The first step is to sign in into your Outlook account. Once you sign in into your Outlook account and you're brought to this page, you'll be brought to the home page automatically where you can create a new mail. You can see your inboxes, you can see your set items, draft folders, groups, and then by the left side you can see other options as well. So you'll notice that by the top part of the screen, after the Outlook logo, you can see the search bar, right? So all you need to do is just to tap on the search bar this way, and then or you can just click on the search icon, whichever one is pleasing to you. And then once you can see it, you can just type a name, subject or phrase which is included in the email message that you want to find. So for example, if you have something like love or whatever in the message you sent, immediately you type this out and you click on the search icon here, you'll be able to search for an email. Another way to make it much more specific is by adding quotation marks. All right, you can decide to use quotation mark around a phrase, that is if you're using a phrase, to search on words that are used in that exact order. So you can only use quotation mark if you remember a phrase and the way it is arranged. All right, but if not, just type out the word, and after typing out the word, click on the search icon, and just like that, emails containing that particular keyword would be displayed. Okay, for me nothing is being displayed because I have not sent any item and I don't have any email that has this particular keyword. But for you, you would see it immediately. You type out keywords, phrases that are found in the email that you are looking for. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.